everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is currently like 5:30 and I am going to my 2-day college orientation today at Kent State University. So I'm gonna get ready now and then we will be on our way. I just want to hop on and say real quick that we are ready to go now, and I'm going to be driving, so we'll see how that goes.
Gucci gang on our grind, period walk. Stop recording me.
I'm zooming in on your face. We're downtown. Hi, buddy. Hey, Hannah. What's up?
Zoom in on.
Where is he? Ew, that was really bad on my feet. Hi guys, this is my first chance I'm actually getting to talk to y'all today. So basically, I finished the whole day of orientation and I'm so tired. There's still more activities that I can go down and do. It's like the evening, like fun stuff. It's like a party, like anyway, so I am super tired. I just came back, freshened up, and I'm going to go down to the other stuff now with a couple of my friends. So I changed. I'm so tired, but it was a really fun day. Got a lot of good information and I really like feel a part of the family and I feel really great and excited. So I will talk to you guys when I can. It's been so hard to vlog, so I will see you guys soon. We don't fit in here. Like, we don't dance, so. Oh, I vlog. Oh! Yeah, okay, hi guys. So we were so thirsty and this lifesaver shut up, ordered us DoorDash to get Taco Bell drinks. And because okay, for some reason, oh, that's smart. For some reason there's like no like drinks anywhere. Like there's nothing open, there's no vending machines, and we're miserable. So what size did you order me?
I got everyone a large.
Okay, he's the plug. Okay, so we still haven't gotten our Taco Bell yet. But like Tim literally just ran like across. Oh my gosh, there's the guy. He's so sweet. He literally like came in like to the thing. But Tim is so kind because he got us drinks. So.
He said Diego.
Oh, he actually screamed Diego. Taco Bell! Taco Bell! We got drinks.
Still there.
We're walking inside. I don't know why I did this right now. Hey. These elevators like greatly confuse me because I'm just an idiot. But like it's fine.
Anyways,
The elevators speak. You have to get that.
Yeah, they speak and it's like freaking terrifying.
what are our floors?
Hi guys, so I just wanted to hop on here super quickly and let you guys know that I made it home from orientation finally, and I'm so exhausted, so tired. It's so much walking all over campus, but I had a really good time. I loved everything about it so much. It really made me excited to go back. My schedule is great. There's probably like only one thing I have to change depending on my AP scores, but like other than that, like I have no Friday classes at the moment, which is amazing. But yeah, I had a great time at orientation, so I wanted to just come on and say thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry I couldn't film as much as I wanted to. It was just kind of hard to like walk and record like with my phone in my hand like while I'm meeting new people and that kind of thing. So but on that note, I met so many amazing new people, and I'm so excited to see like what the future has in store for like our friendship and stuff like that. So I really had a great time, and I want to just sleep now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little glance into my orientation, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.